Hey, it's Kendra. Here are some tips when practicing decorating at home. There's no need to go and bake a cake or cupcakes. All you have to do is just pull some of the tools that you already have in your kitchen. So right here's a reversible silicone baking mat, and it already has a guide on it, so you can practice as if this was the top of a cupcake. You can also use the flexible cutting mats, or even if you just have some parchment or wax paper, you put that down as well. And when you're done with your practicing, you can reuse the frosting. Just take your spreader, scoop it up, and put it right back into your bowl. Now, if you wanted to practice like decorating the side of a cake, then use a stock pot. It's really perfect for this since it's a nice, good round shape. Just start right at the bottom for this technique, and then just go all the way around. And then you'll do your next layer just above these flowers, and then build it all the way up. Now, when you're practicing, you're reusing your frosting, so it might heat up a little bit. Just pop it right back in the refrigerator for about 10 minutes, and then you'll be set to practice again. Remember, practice makes perfect.